Hello and welcome to my studio. I'm Bob Foys and this is my studio here in Bentwater, Suffolk. I'm a headshot, portrait and commercial photographer, but I also photograph sausage dogs. Today I am doing a shoot with a young dog called Trevor. This is going to be part of the Southwold Sausage Dog Walk calendar. I'm going to be doing some behind the scenes video and I will show you the images at the end. If you'd like to be a part of the calendar, just click the link below. Thank you very much. Goodbye.